Hello everyone. This is Vishal, and today I'm going to guide you all about how you can perform well in bug bounties और कैसे आप bug bounties से नोट छाप सकते हैं. Let's get started. Exactly why companies conduct bug bounties contest. Companies want us developers to find critical bugs from their software before any black hat hacker finds it. यहाँ पे एक मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि जस्ट रिसेंटली फ्लो जस्ट गॉट हैक्ड एंड द हैकर dragged $3.9 million from them, and it just happened around in 2 to 3 hours. So companies don't want this to happen. So companies conduct bug bounty contests where they had their software smart contracts and they want us to find the bugs. So I had just created an Excel draw. So here the contests are of two types. तो दो टाइप के होते हैं, एक वेब 2 में होता है, एक वेब 3 में होता है. वेब 2 में आप डील करते हैं वेबसाइट मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन से, CRM, ERP और जो भी फिनटेक वाले जो कस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं उनसे. और इसमें जो कॉन्टेस्ट होते हैं उसके पे आउट्स एवरेज $2K to $50K जाते हैं. और एंड दिस इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ platform that conducts bug bounty contest for companies and software developments. HackerOne, BugCrowd, Integrity, and Yes We Hack. So I would be adding this in the pinned comment or in the description. Don't worry for that. For in Web3 you deal with the smart contract and DeFi protocols. वो smart contract क्या होता है, वो लंबा हो जाएगा अभी. यहाँ पे पे आउट जो होते हैं वो $10K to $50K होते हैं. वेब 3 में 100K भी जाते हैं, 1 million भी जाते हैं. सो दैट नॉट टू बिग फॉर अदर पीपल. Okay, so these are the list of platform: Code for Arena, Sherlock, or Uminify, Codehawks, where you can see contest and participate. So this is the roadmap, not a roadmap, but how you can start. So if you are just a very beginner and want to participate in the Web3 contest and earn from that, so I would say as there are lot of opportunity you guys have in open source, freelance, or anything. So bug bounty would be the least competitive way to go ahead. If you want to be in Web3 and add audits and find bugs in this, so for participating in EVM chain contest you should know Solidity, Foundry, and for Rust, for Solana you should know well. So you can start, not that only. So there are other tools you should know like Slither. So वो सब बात का है, लेकिन from here you can start. So also I just want to mention that my audit just got verified. So it was a high. So ऐसा ही होता है कि आपका severity होता है कि high है या low है. So यहाँ पे मेरा एक जो भी audit है वो यहाँ पे select हो गया, verified हो गया from lead judge. So congratulations to me. So that's it for today, and we will be coming back later on with live contest. So जो भी contest होते हैं, जैसे अभी Panoptic का यहाँ पे live है, so I would be submitting my audits here also. So यहाँ पे मैं live आएंगे हम लोग, और live हम audit session मतलब audit करेंगे और tools run करेंगे एकदम live. So that would be the hands on. So we'll come back later with other live videos and live bug bounty participating bug bounties contest. So thanks for watching.